Discover the artistry in every step as we unveil the secrets of woodworking and the precision behind timeless creations. Let's dive into this fascinating process now. Take a close look at each machine's movement. Sometimes, luck favors the unprepared. Life has a funny way of sparing the clumsy. I can guess what you're thinking. This is exactly what I need. And you're not wrong. The splitter is perfect for firewood lovers. It makes life easier, no sweat. Say goodbye to that old axe. It's time for innovation to take over. A quick lapse in judgment can spiral into chaos. It's a stark reminder of how fragile safety is. Whoa, taking down a leaning tree is no easy feat. I once saw a tree leaning for 30 years, waiting for the right team to tackle it. Then, a fearless crew arrived. Smiling as they worked, they made it look effortless. That memory will stay with me forever. Simply breathtaking. Do they really know what they're doing? You decide. Whoa, look at that massive Douglas fir. 7 feet across, huh? Unfortunately, decay has set in, but its base might still hold usable timber. Heavy conifer growth and rot. Nature's taking it back, halfway up the trunk. Still, it went out in style. This is where legendary loggers operate, using machinery that gets the job done right. Now that's what I call high-flying delivery. Gotta hand it to them. That's one way to make an entrance. But seriously, who needs lumber that urgently? Maybe they're building a VIP treehouse. Now feast your eyes on Bell's 8000 circular saw. It's a firewood processing marvel, fueled by a 125 horsepower engine. This machine is raw, unstoppable power. With surgical precision, it turns them into perfect firewood. Efficiency at its finest, at remarkable speed. This equipment redefines efficiency for any demanding forestry task. Now, this is what we call engineering brilliance. The Valmet 921. It handles over 21 tons with ease. But it's not just about raw power. Advanced systems maximize efficiency while reducing environmental impact. This is the future of forestry equipment, a perfect blend of technology and sustainability. Imagine a wood chipper so powerful and efficient, it can handle any job with ease. That's the Pezzolato PTH1. 200, 1,000 meters. That's impressive. This track machine features a radio-controlled drum and a massive 796 horsepower Volvo engine. That means more power to the drum, resulting in smoother, more consistent chipping. If you're looking for a reliable workhorse, the NHS for 50F, a powerful step towards renewable energy. Its unmatched capacity optimizes biomass production, meeting the growing demand for sustainable fuel sources. This isn't just about wood processing. It's about a cleaner, more energy-independent future. Now, let's address the D8 dozer. A marvel of engineering, sure, but it represents the challenges of land clearing. While efficient, its environmental impact is undeniable. Deforestation, soil degradation, and climate change. We must balance productivity with sustainability. It's time to rethink our approach. Innovative solutions can lead the way to a better future. Let's aim for progress without compromising the planet. Together, we can create lasting change. Imagine a time when the rhythmic clop of horses echoed in Montana's forests. Not the roar of engines. That's the beauty of horse logging, a tradition still alive today. It reminds us of simpler times, relying on human strength and the power of magnificent animals. It's a connection to our past worth preserving. Let's talk truck unloading. This machine gets the job done in record time, grabbing the entire load at once. It's equipped with multiple gripper options, perfect for customizing to any job. Boom. Sometimes it even affects your own health. Hold on tight. Things are about to get exciting. Drivers in the field are fearless. No path is too tough. No load is too heavy. It's thrilling and awe-inspiring. Innovation meets courage right here. Forestry just got a whole lot bolder. All right, folks. Ain't a walk in the park. You need a pro crew with the right equipment. We're talking cranes, chippers, the whole 9 yards. Safety's paramount, and these guys have the know-how to get it done right. This is the real deal, folks. The Titan Forestry Pro Mulcher is a game changer. It shreds through thick branches with ease. Even massive tree trunks can't slow it down. Powered by a high-performance motor, it's built for resilience and reliability. This machine delivers results every time. Seeing is believing, don't miss it. Barber chair's the silent killer. Don't underestimate them, newbie or pro. You've been warned. This beast of a machine is a game changer. Its torque is so intense, you'd think it could tilt the earth off its axis. Felling a tree requires serious skill. It's more than just cutting, it's an art of precision. Every move is calculated, ensuring safety and efficiency. Drama, action, excitement. Watch this operator tackle stubborn stumps. Armed with the mighty Carlton 7015 TRX, they're taking on the toughest challenges. Will they conquer the yard, or will the stumps fight back? Stay tuned to find out. I know what you're thinking. There's no way those horses can pull that off. But guess what? They did. This video proves that sometimes reality is even more incredible than fiction. Now that's what I call getting down to business. This machine makes short work of those stumps. Effortless, efficient, and oh so satisfying. Got land to clear. Meet your new best friend. Whoa, look how they handle those branches. Notice how the climber adjusts to the helicopter's sway. Big machinery and unpredictable winds demand precision. Safety first, always. From the moment I saw that face cut, I knew what was going to happen. Glad no one got hurt. Whoa, check out this beast of a machine. This Volvo loader can lift a massive 19 tons. With a skilled driver, it's a breeze. Watch as they make unloading look effortless. Stay tuned for heavy-duty action. Check out this Fendt 940. paired with a Genshem 583 wood chipper. This combo is an absolute game changer. The Fent tackles any terrain, while the Hem 583 shreds massive logs like twigs. Efficiency and power combine for ultimate productivity. This Liagong 140.8 with the Woody WH601 head offers an impressive value proposition. Its performance in the Tavari forests is noteworthy, challenging perceptions about Chinese excavators. Equipped with full protection and automatic fire suppression, it mitigates risks while enhancing efficiency. Durability will be key to its long-term viability. Let me introduce you to the Tiger Cat X82. It's built to conquer Michigan's roughest terrains. This machine embodies raw power and unparalleled efficiency. Take a look at the Tiger Cat 570 to hot saw attachment. It tackles even the toughest hardwoods with precision. Softwoods, they don't stand a chance. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video amazed you. Your support keeps us motivated to create more. Imagine this, a mountain of wood waste branches, logs, you name it. Instead of piling it up, you bring in the Hyso hack. It turns waste into mulch in no time. Easy to use, incredibly powerful, and fuel efficient. The Hyso hack transforms wood waste into no waste. Talk about innovation. The Hyso hack is a game changer. The Valmet Pro Forwarder sets new standards. With advanced technology, it boosts efficiency and reduces costs. Its advanced off-road performance ensures maximum uptime. It reduces cycle times even in harsh environments. This leads to increased productivity and profitability. Investing in this machine provides a clear competitive edge. Imagine these logs starting their journey in Orovakowski. They're bundled and set afloat. But here's the twist, they're heading to Jude Sano, over 150 miles away via water. How incredible is that? Hey there, forestry fans, behold the Lumberjack for 150. It's a true masterpiece of design. With its 360-degree rotation, you'll tackle any task with precision. Cut, grab, and stack like never before. The hidden shear blade, a game changer, no more frustrating delays. Built tough and ready for action, the Lumberjack for 150 is your ultimate forestry companion. Oh my God, look at this beast. The Scania are 770 with 770 horsepower. And the drivers, total pros. You can see they take pride in their work. This isn't just a joyride, it's serious business. But with a ride this sweet, who wouldn't be excited? Instead of heavy machinery, they used an everyday truck. Tying a rope higher up the tree for leverage did the job. Simple yet effective, wouldn't you agree? It's a practical solution anyone can use. Sometimes the smartest ideas are the simplest ones. What do you think of this ingenuity? Remember, safety on the road is essential, especially with those towering giants near the lanes. Forethought prevents accidents. These towering trees pose a serious hazard to drivers. Strategic removal is essential to prevent accidents and maintain visibility. To ensure the health of redwood forests, Strategic thinning is key. It allows younger, vigorous trees to thrive. Whoa, check out the Cat 3-for-9F in action. That 61-inch bucket is a monster. Wait, no thumb attachment. How will they manage those enormous stumps? This is wild. Smash that like button and subscribe for more epic construction videos. Folks, stump removal just got a whole lot easier. The Savannah 1720 stump puller is a beast. It pulls stumps out with ease. Pair it with the Savannah rotary rake, and boom, you're clearing land like a pro. 20 to 40 acres a day, insane. This is the future of land clearing. It's not just about having a powerful truck. It's about conquering tough roads with ease. It's about the person behind the wheel, their skill and their experience. Put those two together and bam, you've got a winning combination. Man, those guys are incredible. Their skills and teamwork are seamless. Seeing them in action, ensuring safety and precision, was truly inspiring. Even a task like tree removal requires respect for the environment and careful planning. Let's always consider our impact on nature. Mindfulness is key to sustainable forestry. Woodcracker L700, the ultimate wood crushing machine. With a 700mm jaw and 22 tons of crushing force, it's a beast in the world of wood processing. Made from indestructible Hardock steel, it's durable and easy to operate. Get ready to redefine efficiency in wood processing. Tackling tough wood splitting jobs with ease. That's the promise of the Woodcracker W1000. Durable, versatile, and user-friendly. With Hardock steel construction, it delivers power, efficiency, and less friction. A win-win. When it comes to land clearing, efficiency is everything. A mid-sized excavator like the Deere 135F makes stump removal a breeze. The strategic approach saves time and effort, and even makes the job enjoyable. After all, who doesn't love a bit of demolition? It's work, but it feels like play. Sydney's about to get a whole lot cleaner, thanks to the Vermeer BC 100XL. Watch as it takes down this massive gum tree in seconds. Wow, a true blast from the past, submerging logs to minimize decay. Ingenious and keeps pests away too. This is authentic lumber production, folks. The aroma of freshly cut timber, the rhythmic chug of the steam engine, and witnessing colossal logs meet the saw. It's a symphony of traditional craftsmanship. Era of lumber production. It's remarkable to see a mill like this, still in operation. The workers are clearly masters of their craft. This is why proper Norwood Frontier Elite go hand in hand. With premium features at an unbeatable price, it's engineered for both power and precision, and it's budget-friendly, delivering Norwood's signature performance. This mill is built for professionals and hobbyists alike. Durability, affordability, and efficiency. Trust me, this sawmill is a solid investment. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video amazed you. Your support keeps our creativity alive. Wow, did you see that? That was a close call. It really shows why safety gear is essential. Wow, that's one hefty stump. With a machine this size and price, you'd expect it to slice through like butter, mulching it right back into the soil. That's sustainable forestry in action. Sadly, most folks just burn it all away. This method takes longer, sure, but it's so much better for the long-term health of the forest. Back in the day, you know, logging was almost entirely a man's world. Breaking into this field took courage. I deeply admire these trailblazing women. They're shaping a brighter path for others to follow. Now, are these professionals or daredevils? They might just be modern-day heroes.